Hello friends, welcome to my channel Skyline.com and Skyline Academy on YouTube, in which currently I am presenting or I'm showing videos of SAP Solution Manager 7.2 business process monitoring, system applications monitoring, and IT task management and technical administration. Today I'm just going to show you work mode management, how it works in SAP Solution Manager 7.2. So currently I have logged in with my user ID on SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Launchpad, and this is applications which I'm showing as of now. So let's start with today's video. If you like my videos and my channel, please subscribe to get new updates on that, and please share my channel with your friends which who are looking for such type of videos on SAP Solution Manager 7.2. And this is end-to-end series of SAP Solution Manager 7.2. Currently I'm working and I'm just showing videos on how the functionalities are working together, and later on the videos and on the series I will show the configuration of SAP Solution Manager 7.2 with each and individual functionalities. So let's start for today. And so this is my SAP Solution Manager Launchpad, and as per my roles, I can see many of the tiles showing here and different roles and different catalog groups. So in Solution Manager, the work mode management and the service availability management both are interrelated. So today I'm going to show you IT calendar and work mode management, that how you can suppress alerts for systems which are in maintenance, and you are not bothered about the generating false incident and alerts. So by going that, just I'll click on the IT calendar and work modes, then it will open a new tab. So once I click on that, it will take some time and it will open a new. Okay, after clicking on video, we got this page. It is showing different and but similar options as this the first page, which is showing the scope selection, that which systems, which all things should be the part of our work mode. Then I'll filter my system for which I want to create work mode. As example F4H, I click on this and I press OK. There's a couple of things which I would like to show you. First, you go to settings. In settings, you will get many of options like change cycle, change document, IT event, quality gate management, and all options you are getting here. But in case of our work mode management, just we remove all options and only we can keep work modes. So, and the time zone and the holidays. So if you're not using any holiday calendar, leave it blank and just apply. Now just we need to select the all systems. There are two options to do that. One, we are having systems and instances. So if particular instance of one system is going down, then we can select the system, sorry, instances. Like if you select the instances, you will give all instances name here. Just you have to select one, any of them, and you have to create work mode. But in this example, just we are going to create a work mode for technical system, which is A4H ABAP system. So I'll select this one. I'll go and create I work mode. It will open a new page. In a new page, just you have to maintain the work name like test or maintenance. Then type of the downtime, plan downtime, what type of changes are going to happen in this work mode or in this maintenance description, and this is the time to start of and end of the maintenance. This is a time zone. So by default, if you are India, you can use IST, but time zone will by default it will be on CET. Once you select that one, these all related components will visible here, which will be the part of this maintenance window or maintenance of the system. Now, if you can see here, these are the options which are getting impacted, and just after that you have to click on save. The work mode will be created for this. For as of now, there is no maintenance is required, so I'm just going to close it, this window. Once the maintenance is created, here you will see a different color with maintenance time and all the window. So, and starting from that start time and end time, the system will be suppressed for the alerting. So solution manager will not generate any alert or incident for scope system. Now we can see the option like work mode analytics as well. So you can see here, it's my bad. I can cancel. I can click on the work mode analytics. In workload analytics, if sorry, work mode analytics, you will see the difference and the all work modes, that when the work mode was created and for which system it was created. However, that is not if you want to see that, you can see in your system here it uh, seems to a bit slow. So and UF5 is a bit uh, not responding well. So in that case we can uh, see, let's wait till the page is open. So I'll just wait for the page is opened.